हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अभी हम जो पढ़ने वाले हैं, इन द लास्ट वीडियो आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द grids and grid spacing, right? So what is meant by that grid spacing that we are going to cover in this particular tutorial. So again we need to repeat the same command limits. So quickly I am using all this command 0, 0, upper right corner 15, 10, then grids. Then grid spacing is 0.25, right? So then Z enter, A enter, right? And then snap 0.25 spacing, and then on the grid basically we are going to right click on setting, and here we are basically clicking on adaptive grid, right? So now you can see in zooming basically it is moving point in 0.25 spacing. So the distance between these two spacing is basically how much? 0.25. So in dtext command, if I am writing, right, from here I need to start, right, and then the height will be 0.2, right, and the rotation angle will be 0. So now you can see here the command will come, right? So in engineering graphics, basically for our understanding we need to define all the dimensions in AutoCAD unit basically. So what is meant by that? So one AutoCAD unit is equal to basically 100 mm, right? 0.25 AutoCAD unit is equal to basically 25 mm, right? Similarly, 0.5 AutoCAD unit is equal to 50 mm, and 0.75 AutoCAD unit is equal to basically 75 mm. So if I need to, right, so I'm clicking outside, right, and I am escaping. So Z enter, A enter. So now you can see my screen is again coming back to its original positions. If I need to select, right, I need to select 100 mm. So how I'm going to select 100 mm? So if I need to select 100 mm of the dimension, that is equal to 1 AutoCAD unit. So I'm going in the line command, I'm selecting the line command, and I'm going to select four points basically, right? That is means 4 spacing, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see, and then escape. So now this dimension is basically 1 AutoCAD unit and is equal to 100 mm. So we can check that by these particular dimensions, right? So now you can see this is basically 1 AutoCAD unit. So in the similar way, if I need to select 0.25 AutoCAD unit, that is 25 mm. So what I will going to select? I am going to select only one spacing. So how? That is like this. Okay. So this is the dimension for 25 mm or 0.25 AutoCAD unit. Sorry. Again I am going into the dimensions. I am selecting it. You can see this is 0.25 mm. In the similar fashion 50 mm. So I am going to select two spacing, right? So now this is basically 50 mm. So one spacing is equal to basically 25 mm, right? And now 75 mm. So I am going to select three spacing. So here 1, 2 and 3. Escape. So therefore we are selecting 25 spacing as a grid spacing, and this will be common for the entire semester, right, dear students? So again now I am selecting the dimensions, and here I am getting 75 mm. So I hope you understand this particular concept, right, and this will be useful for your further drawings. So I am concluding this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.